Real estate versus stocks. Which builds more wealth long term? Most people think real estate is the ultimate wealth builder. They're wrong. And I'm going to prove it with actual numbers. Here's the truth. Starting from zero, stocks will make you richer faster than real estate. But there's a catch that changes everything. Stick around because we're breaking down exactly which path wins. And more importantly, which path works for your life. Part 1. The real estate fantasy. Let's start with what everyone dreams about. You buy a house for $400,000. You put down 20%, which is 80 grand. Your mortgage is 30-year fixed at 7%. Monthly payment lands around $2,100. Here's where the magic supposedly happens. Over 30 years, you build equity. You pay down that mortgage. Your house appreciates at 3% annually. That's historically conservative. After 30 years, that $400,000 house is worth $1.2 million. Your mortgage gets paid off. You pocket $1 million in appreciation. Sounds incredible, right? Here's what nobody tells you. That $80,000 down payment? Gone. The $2,100 monthly payment for 30 years? That's $756,000 total paid. Your property taxes add another $150 grand over that period. Insurance, maintenance, repairs, another $100 grand minimum. WAF fees if applicable. And we haven't talked about the realtor commission when you sell. Usually 6%, which is $72,000 right there. So your actual wealth gain after 30 years? About $400,000 in net equity after all costs. 400 grand over 3 decades. That's $13,000 per year. Not bad. But wait until you see what happens with stocks. Part 2. The stock market reality. Same scenario. You have $80,000 to invest. You open a Roth IRA with Fidelity. You set up automatic investments into VU. That's Vanguard's S&P 500 index fund. You invest the 80 grand immediately. Then you add that $2,100 monthly payment into a taxable brokerage account. Same $2,100 you would have paid as a mortgage. The S&P 500 historically returns 9.6% annually. Let's be conservative and use 8% to account for inflation and bad years. After 30 years, here's what happens. That initial 80 grand grows to $946,000. The monthly contributions of $2,100 grow to $1.7 million. Your total portfolio value, $2.6 million. No realtor commissions. No property taxes eating your returns. No emergency roof repairs. No vacancy risk if you ever needed rental income. Just pure compounding wealth. But here's the thing. Real estate has one advantage stocks don't. Leverage. Part 3. Why real estate still matters. With real estate, you controlled $400,000 with only $80,000 down. That's 5 times leverage. Stocks? You can do margin. But honestly, that's risky for most people. And it's not the traditional wealth building path. Real estate also forces discipline. Your mortgage payment is automatic. It's like a forced savings account. A lot of people who own homes stay committed to paying that mortgage. The same person who invests in stocks might panic sell during a market crash and lose everything. There's also the lifestyle component. You get to live in your house. You control the property. You're not subject to market emotions. For some people, this psychological piece is worth the lower returns. Here's my honest take. Stocks are mathematically superior for pure wealth building. But real estate is superior for discipline, forced savings, and lifestyle. The real wealth move? Do both. Put money in index funds through your 401k and Roth IRA. Those are tax-advantaged vehicles stocks can't touch. Then if you want to buy a home, buy it. But buy it because you want to live there. Not because you think it's your only path to wealth. Most millionaires in America built wealth through a combination. Stocks through retirement accounts. Real estate as a primary residence. Maybe one rental property. Diversification is the actual game. Start with stocks in your Roth IRA right now if you haven't. Get that employer 401k match first. It's free money. Then explore real estate when you're ready. The video that changed my financial life was about index funds. I'll link that in the description. Thanks for watching. Let's make you wealthy. Word count 847.